Hi guys, part 2. Hey Lucas, if you use that, you're baslas. Ah! Hansen, oh my gosh.
Yo, I should be scared of you.
Nah,
You look any face.
you look like a Batman, dude. You look like
me.
Batman.
What about me?
You look like an ugly.
Me.
You don't even have a face.
Your
And Lucas
your
is
avatar is like an
just flexing his non-repellent abs.
bro. You're actually an ugly hobo.
Oh. I turned it on.
You're the ugly hobo.
You
Look at
gotta
his
be
favorite
part of
channel.
it.
Look at your favorite channel.
What
The
happened?
front door. Yo, pizza.
Order today.
I'm gonna sit down. Bro! The door!
I will go get it.
Bro, Jeff!
What?
You're opening the door!
Yay! I have the pizza
already.
I'll eat.
No, you're too
Yo,
fat.
why are we watching guns?
Do not point at friendlies.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
it's
My favorite show.
Hey, spare me some.
I'm gonna be Mrs. T. Oh, yes.
Oh.
My favorite show.
Jeff's favorite show. What's your step?
Sabi daw ni
Order
Lucas,
today.
good to Kuromi Tojo Simulator. Can you just give me the item?
Hey, I forgot to take up the truck. Spare me some!
Yeah.
You guys are big man.
I got 80 Robux. I want to jump scare everyone. Dude, how is a literal pizza crunch? Unlimited Amy.
Do not point at friendlies.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's
let's
non-friendly.
Yeah, let's point it at Lucas.
Hey.
Mom,
Hey! You're so sick,
you also watered the plant in the backyard. Oh, nah, I'm going to the bedroom now.
Do you know the Lucas man that lives on Gooner Lane?
Where's the watering can? And then we will get jump scared the next second.
What do you do with a drunken man? And what would you do with a drunken? Hello, doggy. What happened?
Hey, can I play some?
Doggy? Oh, doggy! You
That looks like a
poo-poo!
goat!
Poo-poo! You poo-poo, doggy.
Let's do it.
Bro, the dog's pooping.
My watering.
Guys, should we go to the shed?
Okay, you water the plant while we go upstairs. You will get jump scared.
Frick you, dude. Hell no.
And then you will grow another plant that says you got jump scared. You took it.
I want to look.
Warehouse.
I want to lock out Lucas.
I mean the shed.
Bro, I want to burn this tree down. Hey, you neighbor, wake up!
When my job finished, I figured out I would finish it.
What is it again, Mom?
Sweetie, remember to study for your exam.
Yes,
Why is there a random hammer in here?
Thor's hammer.
Hey.
Lucas,
Hey, guys.
close the door and while we go upstairs.
Yeah,
will
while
get-
I turn off the lights.
Jump scare. Bye, Lucas!
No.
Yes.
You want to have a YouTube channel?
Come on, Lucky Mouth!
By the way, Jeff's YouTube channel is Jeff_plays. Subscribe to him.
And Lucas, which name is
Lucas, do you even know?
which name is Kuromi Tojo Gooner.
I haven't even uploaded videos yet.
Boy, you only
TV!
upload one video.
We need to turn off the TV, Lucas.
Okay, let's sit.
I'm gonna poo-poo.
Hell no. Eeny.
No, you do it.
Mo.
I don't care what you're gonna say. We lock you out the door.
I wish there was an actual lock here.
I dare you to watch me.
Lucas
No, I ain't watching.
Lucas was kicked out of the bed.
I'm so scared. I'm gonna.
Lucas's name is Kuromi Tojo Gooner.
Power off.
Power off.
Finally, I sit down.
Okay, let's all sit down together.
I can't understand.
Hey!
Close curtain matter.
I stole Lucas's shorts! Yay! And Lucas stole my shorts!
I'm gonna go home at 10:30. It's already 10:02.
Aww.
Because Lucas took so long to drink his medicine.
Go kasi, Lucas! I'm gonna send you to jail.
12:42 a.m.
Sigma Skibbity hours.
How to get out?
Just click on the door. Let me guess.
On the
Power off.
Mom, 2 texts. Don't stay up too late, sweetie. You're going to need a sleep. Okay, I'm gonna sleep. Good night, everybody. I wish you have a good poop in your bed. I wish you have a good pee and poop in your bed.
Lucas is gonna goon before he goes to sleep.
Hey!
Prince is gonna go
I
to
don't have to get some water
Zootopia
from
and
the
also Danganronpa and
We need to
Monokuma.
drink
Hey!
water.
I don't get.
No! You're gonna drink water and I'm not.
It's the killer.
Yo! The atmosphere is getting kind of
Dude,
dark.
at least give me a literal flower.
Fine, we'll get water. So yeah, that you will dehydrate.
Yeah.
Run! You go first. No!
My heart.
You go first.
No. You go
I
first.
insist.
You go first.
Bro, whoever's in there, we can jump them. Because it's a 3v1.
I insist, man. I insist.
Dude, it's a 3v1.
Lucas,
do it.
Lucas, Hansen, it's a 3v1.
Hell no, I insist.
3 people versus 1 person.
Eat Mexican taco.
Eat my shorts, dude. Eat my shorts.
Where's the friend?
There you go. That's so simple.
I'm gonna go upstairs while drinking water because
Listen.
There's a person.
No.
There's a person running to the house.
ah! Sleep!
Hide! Hide! Hide!
Hi.
Hide!
Over here.
No! Stop! Stop it, Hansen. Stop it. What happens if it's just our mom? I think it's just our mom. It's just our
Then
mom.
go out! You go out!
No, I don't wanna.
You can just go out already.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna.
Oh, I hear footsteps. Lucas's earthquake footsteps. Yo!
Dude, it's getting louder. Dude, stop. Like, actually. If we all want to survive, we just
Sabay
do
tayo.
that.
Lucas, sabay tayo. 3, 2, 1, go. Bro, I said go. 3, 1, go.
Dude, when is the game gonna stop?